this woman very bitter about waiting in daughter one do, and he don't tell in daughter say if you no change am, if you no pick up phone, call your father, tell your father say I'm sorry because you know they in my life and because my mom don't be the person where they hear me and you still be father and daughter, but you know go come my wedding. So I go respect my mother's wish, you know go come the wedding. Now, she no get any problem with having you as my father, me reconnecting back to you, but she get problem with you showing up for that wedding and then walking you down the aisle. The mother plan be saying na him brother go walk him down the aisle, and as a matter of fact the mother want join hand with the brother to hold her to walk down the aisle. And so but the girl they make her own plans, and the girl already tell him brother, the brother know they in support too. The brother say, well, I stand where mama stands. And until the brother be they suggest also say maybe a family reunion if mom see one listen, but the mama no agree. The mama say the level of pain where she go through, waiting the man do, the man never even thought of coming back to apologize, coming back to even see our family, to fit tell our family sorry for waiting in do. The man no get any explanation, and you go through my back, go reconnect with your father. Even though I still the vex, but you know go come finally slap my face to bring this man for wedding. And the girl get her own reasons. The talk say he's still my father, no matter what they go through between una. But I want make you choke mouth.
Yes, call me Petty McPettison.
Okay.
If that man is coming for that wedding, I will certainly not be attending. Okay. And yes, I will disown my daughter.
Okay.
Because you know what? Where was he when I was literally bending over backwards and doubling over? Now, my daughter might not understand the sacrifices that I have made because she has not yet lived that life. She has lived that life from the other side. And also that man is totally selfish. The fact that he left and now he's, even if his daughter is inviting him to come for the wedding, he should, as a man, choose that opportunity to show how sorry he is by declining the daughter's invite. But oh no, he wants to come and walk down the aisle. Nah, not on my watch.
Chook mouth. Wazobia 95.1 Wazobia.